Most people assume starting a product business requires a commercial space, expensive equipment, and months of setup. If that were still true, this list would not exist. But every machine on it ships from Amazon, fits on a desk or a folding table, and can generate real revenue from the first week of operation. The prices are confirmed. The business models are proven. Here are all 15. Number 1. Heat press machine price range. $150 to $360. The heat press is the entry point for custom apparel and one of the most consistently profitable machines on this list. You apply heat transfer vinyl or sublimation prints to t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, pillowcases, and dozens of other fabric items. The process takes 2 to 3 minutes per item. A custom t-shirt that costs $3 in materials sells for $25 to $40. The Viver 12 by 15-inch heat press sits at approximately $150 on Amazon and handles the full range of standard apparel products. The HT Vrant 15 by 15 auto-open version runs around $279 and is worth the upgrade if volume is the goal, because the automatic opening mechanism reduces the risk of scorching while you handle the next item in sequence. Either machine handles sublimation transfers, HTV vinyl, and screen print transfers without modification. The business model is straightforward. Custom orders through Etsy, local sports teams, school events, and corporate branded merchandise. Profit margins on custom apparel consistently run 60 to 70% once materials are accounted for. Number 2. Sublimation printer price range, $200 to $400. The sublimation printer works in combination with a heat press to produce full-color photographic quality designs permanently bonded into the surface of polyester fabric and polymer-coated hardgood. The Epson EcoTank ET2803 converted for sublimation runs approximately $200 and is the most widely recommended entry-level option. The Sawgrass SG500, purpose-built for sublimation, sits around $290 and produces more consistent color output without the conversion process required for the Epson. Both are available on Amazon. The distinction between sublimation and heat transfer vinyl is that sublimation produces a permanent dye infusion rather than a surface layer, meaning the print will not crack, peel, or fade regardless of washing. That durability justifies a higher price point and produces significantly higher customer satisfaction on repeat orders. Number 3. Laser engraver price range, $200 to $800. The laser engraver is the highest ceiling machine on this list in terms of product range and profit per item. The Xtool D1 Pro 10 watts sits at approximately $300 on Amazon and is the most widely recommended entry-level diode laser for small business use, handling wood, leather, acrylic, anodized aluminum, and coated metals. The Xtool M1 Ultra, a combined laser engraver and vinyl cutter in a single enclosed unit, runs around $800 and is the upgrade option for operators wanting both capabilities without a separate machine for each. Profit margins on laser-engraved products run 70% or higher according to multiple operator reports, with personalized items commanding 50 to 200% premium over unbranded equivalents because of the customization element. Number 4. Vinyl cutter price range, $200 to $450. The vinyl cutter produces custom decals, stickers, heat transfer vinyl for apparel, signage lettering, and car wraps from rolls of adhesive or heat transfer material. The cut is controlled by software that reads a design file and drives a blade across the material with precision. The Cricut Explore 5 sits at approximately $200 on Amazon, handles over 100 materials, supports Cricut's Smart Materials system for matless cuts up to 12 feet, and is compatible with the Cricut Design Space software, including the newer AI-assisted design tools. The Silhouette Cameo 5, running around $280, is the primary alternative with free offline software and no subscription requirement, which reduces ongoing operating costs for high-volume operators. Custom stickers, car decals, wall lettering, and window graphics are all product lines with low material cost and high perceived value. A sheet of custom stickers with a material cost under $2 sells for $8 to $15 depending on size and complexity. Number 5. Button and Badge Maker price range, $35 to $150. The button maker is the lowest barrier to entry on this list. You insert a circular piece of printed paper and 2 metal shell components, operate the lever, and produce a finished pin badge in under 10 seconds. No power required, no software required, no learning curve. Fast to Buy and Viver are the most commonly reviewed brands on Amazon in this category. A single-size 37mm machine starts at approximately $35. A multi-size kit covering 25mm, 37mm, and 58mm runs around $80 to $100 with enough button components to start production immediately. The business model works at events, markets, and schools. Custom badges sell for $1 to $3 each at volume with material costs under 20 cents per unit. The margin is significant. Event photographers offer them as add-ons. Schools order them for graduations and sports seasons. The product is simple enough that the machine pays for itself on a single moderate order. Number 6. Commercial popcorn machine price range, $80 to $250. The commercial popcorn machine is one of the most straightforward food business entry points available. Popcorn has an extraordinarily low cost of goods, a long shelf life compared to most prepared foods, and a universal appeal at markets, fairs, and events. The Viver 8-ounce commercial popcorn machine runs approximately $130 on Amazon and is the most commonly purchased size for a mobile food operation. A 1-kilogram bag of popcorn kernels costs under $2 and produces approximately 40 servings. At $3 per bag retail, a single kilogram of kernels generates around $120 in revenue. The machine cost is recovered on the first weekend of operation at a moderately attended market. Flavored popcorn, packaged popcorn sold online, and event catering are all natural extensions of the initial machine investment. Number 7. Commercial snow cone machine price range, $100 to $300. The snow cone machine shares the same event-based business model as the popcorn machine with similarly dramatic margins. Ice costs almost nothing to produce or purchase wholesale. Flavored syrups run approximately 10 cents per serving at bulk pricing. Retail price at events and markets is typically $3 to $5 per cup. The Paragon Arctic Blast model runs approximately $200 on Amazon and is the most frequently cited commercial-grade option for small business use. It handles continuous ice shaving during busy periods without overheating, which is the critical operational difference between a commercial machine and a consumer-grade version. The seasonality of the product is a genuine limitation. A snow cone machine is primarily a spring through summer asset in most US markets. Pairing it with a complementary hot product like the popcorn machine extends the operational calendar. Number 8. Portable photo printer price range, $100 to $200. The portable photo printer produces credit card to postcard-sized physical prints on the spot at events, markets, and portrait sessions. The appeal is immediacy. People pay $3 to $5 for a physical print of a photo they are holding their phone in front of. The Canon Selfie C1500 runs approximately $100 on Amazon and produces lab-quality dye sublimation prints at postcard size. The Kodak Dock Pro sits around $130 and prints directly from a smartphone via Bluetooth. Both produce prints that last decades without fading. Photo booths, pet photography at markets, event portrait setups, and instant souvenir printing at tourist locations are all viable applications. The consumable cost per print is approximately 30 to 60 cents, depending on the paper and ink cartridge pack purchased. Number 9. Laminator price range, $30 to $150. The commercial laminator is a support machine rather than a primary product-making tool, but its profit potential is often underestimated. A laminated ID card, certificate, menu, or educational material costs under 10 cents in materials and sells for $1 to $3 as a service at copy shops, school supply stores, and event venues. The Fellows Laminator Saturn 3i runs approximately $80 on Amazon and handles up to 9-inch wide documents. The Line and GBC models in the $100 to $150 range handle wider formats and faster throughput suitable for higher volume applications. A mobile laminating service attending school enrollment events, craft fairs, or business expos carries very low setup cost and generates consistent per-item revenue with no unsold inventory risk. Number 10. Embroidery machine price range, $300 to $600. The embroidery machine produces custom thread-based designs on caps, shirts, bags, jackets, and accessories. It occupies a higher-end position in the custom apparel market than heat press or sublimation because embroidered products carry a premium perception that most customers associate with professional workwear and quality gifting. The Brother SE700 runs approximately $350 on Amazon and is the most widely recommended entry-level embroidery machine for small business use, handling up to 4x4-inch designs with 80 built-in designs and USB import capability for custom artwork. The Brother PE800 at approximately $500 expands the embroidery field to 5x7 inches and includes more built-in fonts and designs. Custom caps for sports teams, personalized bags for weddings and corporate events, and branded workwear for local businesses are all product lines with high per-item margins and reliable repeat order potential. Number 11. Sticker and label printer price range, $150 to $400. The dedicated sticker and label printer produces custom die-cut stickers, product labels, packaging labels, and address labels on demand without requiring a separate vinyl cutter. The print and cut process is handled in a single pass. The Canon PIXMA TS9521C with a Teflon sheet setup runs under $200 for basic sticker production. The purpose-built Primera LX500 label printer runs approximately $400 and is the upgrade option for operators producing product labels for food, cosmetics, or retail goods requiring color accuracy and waterproof output. Sticker businesses have one of the lowest operational barriers in the craft commerce space. A sheet of 6 custom stickers with a print cost under 50 cents sells for $5 to $8 on Etsy or at markets. Operators with strong design libraries and consistent Etsy traffic report this as among the highest margin product categories available from a single machine. Number 12. Candle making equipment price range, $50 to $200. The candle making machine category on Amazon covers wax melters, wick centering tools, and automated pour systems that reduce the time and physical effort of small batch candle production. The market context makes this worth attention. The global candle market is growing, and artisanal branded candles regularly sell for $20 to $40 for a product with under $3 in material cost. The Viver wax melter runs approximately $80 on Amazon and handles continuous production without requiring manual temperature monitoring. A basic candle-making starter kit covering molds, wicks, fragrance oils, and a melting pot runs under $100 total. Scented candles are one of the highest recommended craft products for Etsy because the product is consumable, driving repeat purchase, and the barrier to visual differentiation through branding and labeling is low. Number 13. Consumer price range, $200 to $600. The CanSeamer seals aluminum cans for carbonated or non-carbonated beverages, making it the entry point for a small batch canned drink business. Cold brew coffee, kombucha, energy drinks, sparkling water, and craft soda are all products that have demonstrated strong market demand at the premium end of the beverage category. The Key manual consumer runs approximately $200 on Amazon and handles standard 200 milliliters to 500 milliliters aluminum cans. Aluminum blank cans are available on Amazon in packs sized for small batch production. The business model works at farmers markets, pop-up shops, and wholesale to local cafes and delis for small batch specialty beverages. The premium pricing consumers accept for artisan canned drinks, $3 to $6 per can, creates significant margin at small production volumes. Number 14. Carpet cleaning machine price range, $300 to $800. The commercial carpet cleaning machine is the only service-based business on this list rather than a product-making machine. It earns its inclusion because the profit per hour figures from a residential carpet cleaning operation are among the highest available from any machine at this price point. The Bissell Big Green BG10 commercial machine runs approximately $300 on Amazon and is rated for professional residential and light commercial use. The Oric Commercial Orbiter at approximately $500 handles multiple floor surface types including tile and hardwood alongside carpet. A residential carpet cleaning job runs $150 to $300 depending on square footage and market. A single afternoon of 2 to 3 jobs with a $300 machine investment produces a return on investment in the first week of operation. Number 15. Portable espresso and coffee setup. Price range, $100 to $400. The commercial-grade portable espresso machine and grinder combination is the entry point for a mobile coffee business. A mobile coffee cart serving espresso drinks at markets, corporate events, and pop-up venues generates $15 to $20 per hour per customer seat with material costs under 50 cents per drink. The Breville Bambino Plus runs approximately $300 on Amazon and produces commercial-quality espresso at counter and cart scale. The Niche Zero grinder at approximately $400 pairs with it for a complete setup capable of producing specialty-grade coffee at market and event pricing. A well-positioned market coffee stand regularly outperforms every other food vendor in revenue per square foot because of the speed of service, the high perceived value of specialty coffee, and the repeat visit rate of coffee-dependent customers.